There's a lot of misconception about Kojic San Soap out there. So this video will clear some of that and also help you know how to use Kojic San Soap on your face. I personally use Kojic San Soap on my face. And hey guys, hey besties, welcome back to another video. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, if this is the first time you are watching my video, welcome here. My name is Mona. On this channel, I cover skincare tips, beauty tips. I also review skincare products and I also share a bit about my lifestyle. If that is something you are interested in, feel free to watch this video to the end and join our community. Today's video is a response from the previous video I did. On that video, I covered how to spot the fake Kojic Sand soap. I also covered tips on how you can get the best result from the Kojic Sand soap. I got a question on how do I use Kojic Sand soap or how can I use Kojic Sand soap on my face. So this video is going to cover how to use Kojic Sand soap on your face to ensure that number one, you don't get your skin irritated, and number two, you see a huge and significant result from the product. So even a lot of controversy around Kojic Sand soap, as we all know. If you're based in Nigeria, you know that this soap is to date something that the skincare influencers, the skincare world in general, are always battling on. Before we talk about Kojic Sand soap, let's talk about Kojic acid. Now, Kojic Sand soap is, or the ingredient in Kojic Sand soap is kojic acid. Kojic acid is completely safe. It is considered safe for usage, right? It is considered safe in the skincare world, in the dermatologist world, in any aspect of life. In any aspect of life, it is considered safe to use. Kojic acid is a chemical that is derived from different type of fungi and also byproduct from soy sauce or byproduct from fermented soy sauce and rice wine. Kojic acid helps with the treatment of melasma, it helps with treatment of hyperpigmentation, and it also helps with the treatment of scars, right? It helps with scar marks, it helps with sun damage marks, it helps with discoloration, it helps to lighten the skin as well. It is used to lighten the skin, it is used to treat sun damage, it is used to treat hyperpigmentation, it is used to treat discoloration, melasma, also helps with age spots. This is how kojic acid helps with hyperpigmentation, right? Kojic acid blocks the production of tyrosine. Tyrosine is needed in the production of melanin, right? And melanin is what causes the pigmented look we all have, right? So kojic acid blocks the production of tyrosine. Overall, kojic acid reduces the production of melanin on your skin, and that is what would help with your hyperpigmentation. Number one side effect of kojic acid is sunburn. This happens due to the fact that kojic acid reduces the production of melanin, like I explained earlier, and once your melanin production is reduced, the skin is sensitive to sun. It is more sensitive to sun, right? So once you start using kojic acid, it's advisable to use sunscreen. To always use sunscreen. Once you start using kojic acid, your skin gets vulnerable to sun damage, which is why you're encouraged to use sunscreen more than usual when you're using kojic acid. A very severe side effect of using kojic acid is skin cancer, right? If you have if your skin is damaged and you use a kojic acid on your skin, you can get skin cancer. So before you start using kojic acid, you need to, in fact, for you to have a damaged skin, you need to even see an esthetician, and then you can then ask your esthetician if you can go ahead with using kojic acid. A higher concentration of kojic acid can lead to skin cancer. A safe percentage of kojic acid that you can use and it would not affect you, you would the highest if side effect you get is irritation, but you know it's safe. It won't damage your skin, it won't lead to skin cancer. The safe um benchmark you can use is between 1% to 4%. Anything higher than 4% is red flag. Okay, let's go back to Kojic San Soap. Now, if you're based in Nigeria, we all know how we are struggling with fake skincare products, or it's everywhere, right? Most of the skincare products are being produced but not originally produced. There are now so many fake out there, so many counterfeit, so many fake. Let me use the word fake. So if you have a Kojic acid currently, you have to ensure that even if it's working for you, ensure you are using the original one. For you to be sure of that, I'm going to drop a link to the video I did previously. You can check that video and compare if you're using a fake or original, because I gave a detailed um way you can check. The reason why Kojic acid might not work for you might be because you are using a fake one, or might be because the percentage is too high for you. It's too high for your skin, so don't push it, just stop. But if you know that you've used it in the past, it worked for you, and you want to know how to use it on your face, or you're using it on your body and it's working for you, and you want to start using it on your face. Now, that is how I used Kojic acid, or sorry, how I use Kojic Sand soap that has worked on my face in terms of my hyperpigmentation. It has helped it a lot. Like, I will show you a picture of how I looked before I started using Kojic Sand soap and now. Remember, I said I used it in the past, and then I came back again recently. I started using it, and it has been working for me. A very slow process, but I would rather use Kojic acid slowly, or rather use Kojic Sand soap slowly than harshly or in a rush. From my previous video I stated that you can't use Codex Acid for more than 6 months. It's advisable to just use it for a short period of time and then stop. If you stop using it, it would not, your skin will not go back to how it was before. Don't be scared. You just have to ensure you're still using a product or using a skincare product that has a bit of lightening ingredients in it. A vitamin C and azelaic acid can help you with that. Okay. So how I use it is very simple. This is how I use the Kojic acid soap. I use it 3 times a week. I also use it alongside a gentle cleanser, which is the simple face wash. I'm gonna insert a picture here. Now, I use this cleanser 4 times a week. Then I use the Kojic acid soap 3 times a week. And I don't use it like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, I use it Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And I use it exactly how I use my face cleanser, right? I go in with it. I don't max it. I don't max it because I don't want a quicker result. I want it to be slow and steady, right? So I just use it to wash. The way I use my face cleanser, just wash my face with it and then going with. But this time I'm going with more extra moisture sunscreen. So I don't ever skip sunscreen. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night, it doesn't matter, but I would advise you use it at night just so that your skin has that calm um reaction. It's not like you're using it in the morning and you're entering the sun, by noon. If I use it at night so that your skin is at that repairing stage, and then in the morning, it doesn't mean that if you use it at night, in the morning you don't use sunscreen. No. It means that the next morning you're going with more moisturizer and then you're going with sunscreen, and you have to reapply your sunscreen. So two things you don't joke with while using this product is sunscreen and moisturizer. Moisturize your skin as much as you can, and then use your sunscreen back to back. Don't expose yourself to sun unnecessarily. Have a face hat. If you have to enter the sun, have a face cap and wear your shades. Protect your face, please. That is the only way I've been able to successfully use kojic acid on my face, and you all can see the result. It is helping. Let me wrap my hair up, okay, so you can see. It has helped fade, the hyperpigmentation I got from pregnancy. And again, intend to use this for just 3 months. Afterward, I'm going to stop using it. I hope this video answered your questions. If you want me to make any video talking about any particular skincare product or ingredient, do feel free to drop that request in the comment section. I'm going to make that video. If you have any questions regarding kojic acid, if it has messed up your skin in the past, whatever your questions are, drop them in the comment section. I would answer your questions, okay? Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed watching this video, because again, on this channel I talk about skincare, beauty, wellness, and my lifestyle. So I know you'll be interested in at least one of these things. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and please finally share this video to your loved ones and to your group chats, to your WhatsApp group. Just say share this video to everyone who is your person. Okay, even if the person is not your person, just share this video. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video down in the comment section. In short, watch this video up here where I shared how to spot the fake Kojic San Soap and the original from the original one. I have that video up here. Go watch that video. See you guys in that video. Bye bye.